Looking for a natural way to boost testosterone, energy, and stamina without pills or chemicals? In this video, you'll learn how to make a powerful drink using just a few ingredients from your kitchen. Start by slicing one fresh onion. Onions are a powerhouse when it comes to men's health. Next, peel 5 garlic cloves. Garlic is rich in allicin, a compound known to support male hormones and overall wellness. Now take a small piece of fresh ginger, peel it and slice it finely. Ginger is a natural energy booster and hormone regulator. Add 2 cups of water to the pot. This will help draw out the nutrients into a concentrated tonic. Bring the mixture to a boil, then let it simmer for 10 minutes. This step activates the powerful health compounds in each ingredient. After boiling, strain the mixture into a clean glass or jug, then add the juice of 1 lemon to boost detoxification and vitamin C. If desired, add a spoon of honey once the drink has cooled slightly. Honey enhances taste and provides natural energy. This is a concentrated mix. Before drinking, dilute 2 tablespoons of the mixture in 1 glass of warm water. This natural drink is simple to make, yet powerful in effect. Use it regularly to support testosterone, increase energy, and feel more confident naturally.